When it comes to heavy-duty semi-trucks, there are a lot of options out there. But today we are comparing the International LT with the Volvo VNL. Both have a rich history, impressive design, powerful engines, and top-of-the-line safety features. So which one is the best? Let's find out, but first, let's take a look at their history. International Harvester, which later became Navistar International, was formed in 1902 and has been manufacturing trucks for more than a century. The company's heavy-duty trucks have been a fixture on the American highways since the 1930s. In 2021, the Traton Group acquired all outstanding shares of Navistar. Traton is a subsidiary of Volkswagen AG and one of the world's largest commercial vehicle manufacturers, including brands like MAN and Scania. The International LT, which stands for Luxury Touring, was introduced in 2017 as the company's flagship long-haul truck. Volvo Trucks is a subsidiary of the Volvo Group and has been building commercial trucks since 1928. North America is a major market for the Volvo Group, representing about 27% of total 2021 sales. The Volvo Group employs more than 17,000 people in North America and operates 12 manufacturing and remanufacturing facilities in 7 U.S. states, as well as 3 plants in Canada and 1 in Mexico. The Volvo VNL, which stands for Volvo National Long Haul, was first introduced in 1996 as a replacement for the Volvo White GMC. Exterior design. The International LT has a modern aerodynamic design that maximizes fuel efficiency and reduces wind resistance. It also features a sleek, sloping hood, which provides excellent visibility for the driver. The exterior design could use an update and is a bit boring. The Volvo VNL, on the other hand, has a more traditional look with a squared-off hood and boxy cab. It has also been designed with aerodynamics in mind, with features such as an air dam, side skirts, and roof fairings to reduce wind drag, and has an appealing appearance. To improve visibility and reduce maintenance, Volvo employs LED bulbs for all exterior lighting. All models feature LED high-low beam headlights as well as LED turn, marker, and parking lamps. Interior. Both the International LT and the Volvo VNL have spacious, comfortable cabs that are designed with the driver in mind. The Volvo VNL has a top modern high-tech interior with a digital dashboard and a large touchscreen display. The seating has been ergonomically optimized, while the dashboard and steering wheel brings controls and information efficiently to the driver with minimal distraction. The International LT has a more traditional interior with analog gauges and buttons, but it's still packed with features such as a premium sound system, a refrigerator, and plenty of storage space. But in terms of design, the interior of the International LT does seem a bit outdated and old-fashioned compared to the modern Volvo VNL. Powertrain. When it comes to power, both the International LT and the Volvo VNL offer a range of engines to suit different needs. The International LT is available with a choice of 3 engines: the S13, which is a 12.7-liter engine with up to 515 horsepower, the A26, a 12.4L-liter engine with up to 515 horsepower, and the powerful Cummins X15 with up to 565 horsepower. The Volvo VNL is also available with 3 different engines, including the D13TC with up to 455 horsepower, the D13 with up to 500 horsepower, and if you want more power, Volvo uses the same Cummins X15 engine as International with up to 565 horsepower. Would you love if Volvo took their 750 horsepower European engine and integrated it into the North American trucks? So there is not a big difference between the engines, but when it comes to the gearbox, the Volvo can be chosen with the popular I-Shift gearbox with 12 or 14 gears. Here, International can be chosen with the Eaton gearbox, which has a range of 10 to 18 gears. Safety and other features. The International LT has a range of safety features, including adaptive cruise control, collision mitigation, lane departure warning, and electronic stability control. The Volvo VNL has similar safety features, including adaptive cruise control, collision mitigation, lane departure warning, and electronic stability control. It also has advanced driver assist features, including Volvo Active Driver Assist, which uses radar and cameras to monitor the road and assist the driver. Volvo is one of the safest trucks on the market, and they invented the 3-point safety belt and were the first to introduce it as a standard feature in trucks. Also, their high-strength steel HSS cabs have the industry's highest strength-to-weight ratio, protecting the driver by absorbing as much crash energy as possible. Maintenance and support. Both International and Volvo offer excellent maintenance and support services and are known for high reliability and quality. International has a comprehensive service network with over 700 locations across North America. They offer 24/7 roadside assistance and a range of maintenance plans to keep your truck running smoothly. Volvo has a similar service network with over 430 locations across North America, which means there can be a little longer between a place to have your Volvo VNL serviced. Overall, it can be said that both the International LT and the Volvo VNL are impressive heavy-duty semi-trucks with their own unique strengths and advantages. If you want a more modern and spacious truck with state-of-the-art safety features, you should pick the Volvo VNL. And if you want the more economical and reliable choice with a larger service network, you should go with the International LT. Which would you pick and why? Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe for much more.